Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a channel reading. Let's see what's happening with your person, what they are feeling, what they're up to, what they're wanting to do. This is a collective reading and it won't resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. Yeah, let's see whom you're dealing with and what they're up to, what they're feeling like, what they want, what they expect out of you, out of this relationship. Okay, one of our card is already flipped, so I'll not take it. What is your person feeling like? Before starting the video, please hit the like button, because once the video gets into its flow, you all forget to like the video. And yeah, so just hit the like button. Okay, first is the Tower card. You are dealing with a Scorpion, or you yourself may be a Scorpion. What more do we have? I think your person is quite distressed right now. They feel as if everything is over. Nothing can be, nothing is in their reach right now. They can't do anything. They are quite helpless, and they feel like everything is over. Okay. With this Tower card, I think something has happened in the past which was not really, they were not expecting it to happen, maybe from your side. Okay, what more do we have? Okay, the next card is the Five of Cups. They are very depressed, very sad. They have given up all the hopes. They don't have anything left. They don't know what to say. They don't know what to think. Okay, quite helpless and hopeless. Okay, trying to find out clarity. The Hermit. This person is trying to find out the clarity in the situation. They are finding the reason why such many, like why this happened. Okay, this is the Six of Swords, trying to move on. Like physically, maybe this person is traveling somewhere, shifting to some other place, or mentally, emotionally, they are shifting from one place to another, from one mindset to the another. Yeah, doing what is right for them. Investing more time to themselves, their career, their finances, their work, whatever they do. They are more focused right now. Okay, confused. They haven't moved on yet. Emotionally, they haven't moved on. They are trying to, but they can't, because they are distressed. They don't know what to do. I see this person is very sad. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to say. They are feeling quite restless. Something has happened that has brought you both, like I think you both are into a separation. You both are not talking. They are quite helpless. You are quite helpless. They don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. And I'm seeing you both are separated at the moment. Many of you are not with this person. And I'm seeing this person feeling very so sad, very low. Maybe they are sleeping a lot in the daytime, and at the night, in the night, this person is like fully awake, thinking about you. They sleep very late at night and they keep sleeping all day, and this is a sign of sadness. I'm visioning this person like sitting and just thinking and overthinking and not talking to people around them, maybe their family members, their friends. They want to be alone. They are trying to find out why this happened. If this was a separation, why it happened? Whose fault was it? Was it the right decision to move away from you? Was it the right decision to leave you? Was it the right decision to leave the connection? This person is awakening. This person is realizing they are taking time for themselves. They are thinking what to do, what not to do. They are still confused. I don't see them moving on emotionally. I'm not seeing them yet. They have moved on. They are still stuck to your thoughts. They are still thinking why all this happened. They are still defending you, this situation, whatever it was. And I'm seeing this person very distressed. They don't know what to do. What next? This person have no idea. They have no clue what to do the next. Okay. This person is very sad, but they are trying to divert their attention. They are trying to work. They are trying to become workaholic, work more. Maybe in the night time they divert their mind by working, by studying, whatsoever they do, and but still they are not overcoming the thoughts. Your thoughts are burdening this person. Literally, this person is burdened by your thoughts. I see them daydreaming, like thinking excessively and obsessively about you. This person is in love with you. They do this because they love you, but I think their expectations, their heart has been broken. Okay, and they're trying to move on. They're trying very hard to move on. This person is trying really hard to move on from this situation, but then they are being very not being able to do that. They still love you. They still want you. Okay, let's see what more do we have in your person's feeling. What next this person is going to do. Okay, they are going to offer you something. You're going to come up with they're going to come up with an emotional offer. This is the Ace of Cups, so this offer is going to be emotional. They're going to express how they feel. They're going to express they want to be with you. They're going to express they want to take things further with you. So you can expect some sort of communication from this person, and this offer is going to be emotional. I'm also seeing maybe this person won't trust you that much this time around. Maybe you did something to lose their trust. Maybe you did something in their perception which was wrong. It's possible that you did something which according to you was right. It was okay, but according to them it's a very huge thing. You betrayed them, you backstabbed them, okay, and they are not going to give you any more chances. I'm also seeing this person is looking back. They have two choices where to go. They're deciding something, preparing onto something, mentally making up their mind. Okay, what more do we have in their energy right now? Yeah, I think this person has many things to clear out. They have a lot of doubts. They have a lot of fears. They have a lot of they want you to explain something. They want explanations. Why you did that? Why you said that? Why you broke their heart? Whatever the situation was. They want to clarify some things. Yeah, they don't trust you. They see you as a person who is very sneaky. Maybe you did something, or maybe you didn't, but this person sees you as someone who breaks their heart all the time, who lies to them, who manipulates them, who is not true. They don't trust you. This person doesn't trust you. They are in this decision making mode. They're deciding something. There is a huge decision that needs to be made on their side, and they're going to decide something which is going to change the whole situation. Okay, what is the bottom of the deck? The bottom of the deck is Emperor, Aries energy. They are into this anger mode. They're mad at you. They're crazy about you. They love you, but they're not moving. They're not budging. Okay, they want to take action, but they are not. What more do we have? How is this person feeling? What more do we have in their person's energy? Yeah, the Moon. This person is not expressing. They're keeping none. They're not talking to you. They're not expressing much. Or maybe they think you are hiding something. This person is quite skeptical. They are skeptical about the whole relationship. They feel as if you are hiding something. You're not being true. You are always sneaky. So they don't trust you. What more do we have? Yeah, Six of Wands. But this person is quite, they want victory with you. They want success with you. They're looking back. They're waiting for your message, your call. Maybe they are expecting you to call them to, maybe they're expecting your apology, whatsoever your situation was. This person is looking back. They are looking towards you. Okay, Ace of Swords. They want a clarification. They want a clarification from your side. Maybe you did something and you need to clarify them, or maybe you did not do anything and still this person wants you to explain your side, why you did that, why you said like that, why you left them, why, like whatever has happened between you both. It might be different for different people, but there is a lot of trust issues, what I'm sensing here. Okay, how is this person viewing the video, feeling like? What are your energies? Yeah, I think with this Two of Swords, you're confused. You're confused too about this person. Maybe they come back, they go around, maybe they come in and out of your life, and this is confusing you. Maybe their actions, their feelings confuse you. You really don't know why this person goes out and comes in your life again. Okay, you feel happy with this person. You're still trying to be happy. I'm seeing you being happy, trying to be happy, trying to understand the situation, cope up with the situation. You're trying to feel happy, and this person is happy place for you. Okay, you feel happy with this person. What more do we have? What more do we have in your energy? Okay, Mother of Cups in the world. You want to give them the, you have this nurturing feelings within you. You want to nurture this person, you want to love this person. This is the Mother of Cups. So this is like unconditional love. You love this person unconditionally, and this is the World card. I think you are into, many of you are into a long distance relationship, and you want to express your feelings. I think you are wanting this person to come and meet you, or maybe you are planning to go and meet this person, and you just want to show affection. You want to care for this person. You miss their care, you miss the way you cared for this person. Everything about this person, you miss it. Okay, so this is what your person is feeling and you're feeling. Let's see what handwritten advices do we have for you. What handwritten messages, what do we have from the handwritten messages? Okay, what do we have? What messages do we have for you all? Okay, the first one is the family issues. Maybe the main issue between you both is the family. Maybe the family is not accepting you, or maybe the family came to know about you and your connection with this person, and they are creating nuisance. What more do we have? New beginnings. Wow, there are going to be new cycle, new beginnings. You are going to restart with this person. Crying. Maybe this person is crying. I told you, they are not happy. They are not happy without you. Okay. What more do we have? They want new beginning. They are crying for it. Manifestation. I think you need to do manifestations. Please set your intentions very clear. If you want this person, set your intentions really clear. Okay. What more do we have? Career or job. You need to focus on your career or your job. Maybe you are not giving much attention to your career, so you need to. Okay. So this is what we have for you all. If you liked it, it resonated with you, please hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.